Good day everyone, welcome to WiseLink Academy. Today I'll be training you guys on how to divide a line. So whatever line you are given, if you are drawing anything under technical drawing and you are asked to divide that line, the process is very simple, and this is how you go about it. Look at the screen. A question will be displayed, as you can see. The question says that what? Draw a line of 100 millimeter and divide it into 7 equal parts. Now if I want to do that, the first thing to do is draw my horizontal line. Take my T-square this way. I will draw my horizontal line coming. So coming, draw my horizontal line. Start from here. This way. This is my horizontal line. Next up, I'll measure 100, as the question I've said earlier. I'll measure 100 from here to here. From this point here to this point here is my 100. Then I can call this my point A, call my point B. So I'll take my set square this way. On this, I will just make a center like this. As you can see that, take it this way to the other side here. Draw it this way. I'll be having this. As you can see what I'm having. That is from here to here is 100 centimeter. Next up, what I will do now is that I want to divide this line towards 7 equal parts. You will just take a meter rule, come to your point A, just draw a line of any angle of your choice. Just draw it. It's not must, not like this. Just at least there must be space in it this way. Just draw a line this way from this point downward. You don't need to measure the distance from it. Just draw it an inclined line. So you can now decide. You take your compass, any radius of your choice. It's not must you measure it. But let us just assume. Let's take 1 centimeter to be our readings. From here to here is 1 centimeter. So you can see that. So you take it from here. You cut this into 7 equal parts. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't forget, we are dividing this line into 7 equal parts. So that your arc must be Must be 7. So after I've successfully done that, the next thing to do is you take your set square this way. As you can see, I'm having the set square this way. You know this is my point 0, point 1, point 2, point 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As you can see that. So I will take it this way. I'll use my set square this way. I'll connect this and this together. So if I connect this and this together, I will take my meter rule this way, on it this way, so that I can I can slide my T-square this way, so that the line will parallel to each other. You get what I'm saying now? So I can see what I'm doing, so that the line will parallel to each other. So you take to point C. At this point, you draw it this way. As you can see what I'm doing. So similarly, your meter rule must not shake from where it is. 5, connect it. 4, connect it. 3, connect it. 2, connect it. And lastly, connect my 1. I'll be having this. To tell you that I have already divided this line 100 millimeter into 7 equal parts. So this is my point 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you found this video helpful, kindly click on the subscription button and like. And this is just a very beautiful. If you want to divide any line, this is how you do it. Just draw an inclined line of any of your choice, and then you take a reading, so maybe 1 centimeter, to use to cut it. So, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly please subscribe and like and share to friends and classmates. Thank you very much.